Hello folks, Kyle here, Dark 30 Outdoors. Hey, today it is Tuesday, May the 7th. I am at Hoover Reservoir in the Columbus area. I am going to be targeting crappies today. Yesterday I was off work as well. I went to Alum Creek with my uncle. We fished it for over 8 hours. 6 different coves, 2 different pools, the lower pool and the middle pool. We scratched out about 12 keepers and maybe 10 throwbacks. It was tough fishing. I don't know what's going on with that lake. I don't know if it's been hammered too hard. I kept the fish and every single one of them was a female. We didn't catch a single male in at this time of year when the water temperatures over there were we had 68 to about 71. So those fish should be in full-blown spawn. We fished shallow mostly, and then we kind of started switching it up and fishing a little bit more deep. That's where we scratched out our keeper fish, was fishing a little bit deeper. If we hadn't done that, I don't know if we'd have caught very many keepers at all. So it was a tough bite over there, but I'm hoping for better today at Hoover. The water temperature that I'm at in the first area that I've set in, the surface temps are about 70, 71. I'm hoping for a better day today. I've got plenty of fish in the freezer. I'm not going to keep fish today, but I'll keep track, see if I can catch my limit of 30. It'd be real nice if I could catch a fish Ohio. That was the one really bright spot yesterday. I caught a 9 1/4 inch sunfish. I believed it was a green sunfish, and my uncle believed it was a red ear sunfish, but Ohio's Fish Ohio program just lumps them all under sunfish, and they only have to be 9 inches. So a 9 1/4 inch sunfish, that's my biggest sunfish in quite a long time. So that was the bright spot for yesterday. So let's see how today goes. Maybe I can scratch out a limit. Maybe I can bust a Fish Ohio crappie. But we're after crappie again today. We'll see how we do. Stay tuned. Hopefully bring you some fish. Okay, folks. So apparently on this particular trip, I had technical difficulties. My action camera did get rained on a little bit the day before at Alum Creek, and apparently it affected the microphone. I have no audio from my action camera for this particular trip at Hoover, so that's not good. At any rate, here's a voiceover that explains that, and then of course I'll have to do a voiceover for the outro. But for all the fish that I catch, I'll just play you some lovely music. Stand by, bring you some fish.
Okay, folks, that's going to do it for this trip to Hoover. Man, I tell you what, the audio problems with my camera really kind of fouled me up. Got storms moving in. They're pretty substantial too. So they're going to be here in about 20 minutes. It's time for me to get out of here. But I gave it about 3 hours. The fishing was pretty good. I think I scratched out about 12 keepers and easily that many dinks or throwbacks. So pretty good action, just casting jigs up into shallow anywhere there was structure like logs and bushes and brush and stuff like that. So caught about 4 bluegills as well. So in 3 hours of fishing, I tell you what, that wasn't bad at all. I really enjoyed myself. I had a really good time. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching.